welcome to Quick Concepts for Math 76. Today we're going to be doing missing numbers in multiplication and division. So we'll start with multiplication. So if you have something that looks like this, a times 6 is 72, you can do a couple things. You can ask yourself, okay, I know the factors of 6, and you can just start counting by sixes. You can say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, and then 72. That's 12. So that's one way to do it. The other way is to do the opposite operation. So instead of multiplication, the opposite of multiplication is division. So I can say 72 divided, oops, I'm writing it wrong. 72 divided by 6. So in other words, I can divide up. 6 goes into 7 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. You're going to subtract. 6 goes into 12 two times. So A is equal to 12, and then of course you can plug it in for A and see if this works out. 6 times 2 is 612. Carry the 1, and that would be 72. So that works. So let's try another one. Let's say we have something that looks like this. 6W is equal to 84. Excuse me. So just like we did last time, we can just do the opposite, and we can say 84 divided by 6. Opposite of multiplication is division. You're going to do the opposite. So 6 goes into 8 one time. 1 times 6 is 6, and we're going to bring this down and bring down the 4. 6 goes into 24, that would be 6, 12, 18, 24. That's going to be a 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So your answer is 14. Well, let's check it and see if this works. This is 6 times 14. So let's see. 4 times 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24. Put down the 4, carry the 2. That would be 6 plus 2 more, and it works. So 14 is equal to W. Now let's talk about missing numbers with division. All right, so let's say we have something that looks like this. K divided by 6 is equal to 15. Again, you're going to do the exact opposite. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to say 15 times 6. 6 times 5 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. I'm going to put down the 0, carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus a 3 is 9. So I can say K is equal to 90. Again, if you want to check your work, 90 divided by 6, this is 1. And 6 goes into 35 times. It works out. So K is 90. Let's try one more, and then I will let you guys go. 126 divided by M is equal to 7. Now be careful here because this is a little bit different. So we have 126 divided by M is equal to 7. So multiplication isn't going to work in this one. Okay? Because if you multiplied 7 times 126, you're going to get a huge number. Okay? So you have to be careful. You have to figure out what you're looking for. Here we're looking for the divisor. We're not looking for the dividend. Okay? So here I'm going to say 126 divided by 7. That goes in one time. That'll be 12 minus 7 is 5. Bring down the 6. That goes in 8 times because it'd be 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. So M is equal to 18, and then you can just check your work to make sure you're correct. So 18 goes into 12, 0 times. 18 goes into 26, 7 times. 6 carry the 5, and that works out. So I'm just going to kind of review what I said. So when the missing number with a division problem is the dividend, that means what you're dividing into, you multiply. When the missing number is the divisor, that's what you divide by, you are going to divide the other two numbers. So please see the difference there, whereas with multiplication, it was division on both of them. Okay? All right. And that is it.